Welcome to a journey of self-improvement and positivity. Today, we delve into the realm of positive affirmations, a powerful tool that shapes our mindset and reality. Get ready to transform your life. Here are the most powerful affirmations you can incorporate into your daily routine. I am in charge of how I feel, and today I am choosing happiness. This affirmation highlights the importance of emotional self-regulation. Even amidst life's tumultuous waves, we can choose to ride the crest of positivity. Remember, happiness is a choice that only you can make for yourself. I am capable and strong, I can conquer anything. Harnessing the power of belief in our own capabilities and strength is transformative. This affirmation amplifies self-confidence and empowers us to face challenges head-on. Believe in your strength. I am deserving of love, peace, and joy. Embrace this affirmation, understanding that it's not a luxury, but this is your birthright. Self-love, peace, and joy are not elusive treasures, but inherent gifts we must learn to accept. I am worthy of all the love and happiness in the world. Positive affirmations boost your good energy. I am a magnet for success and prosperity. Consider this. When you believe in your potential, you draw success towards yourself. Your amazing prosperity follows this path. Embrace this magnetism. Let it guide you. Success and prosperity are within your reach. I am growing and evolving every day. Personal growth and evolution are integral parts of our beautiful journey. Recognizing this dynamic process empowers us to navigate life with a sense of purpose and fulfillment. Embrace your growth and evolution, for it is the essence of life. These affirmations can be your stepping stones towards a positive and successful life. Recall their power, fostering gratitude, instilling confidence, promoting health, encouraging perseverance, and celebrating self-love. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more empowering content. Remember, you have the power to transform your life with your thoughts. Keep affirming, keep growing.